Hi everyone! Today we are learning about polygons. A polygon is a closed plane with at least 3 sides. This is an example of a polygon. This is not. This is an example of a polygon. This is not. One type of polygon that we're going to focus on is a triangle. And we can classify triangles by angle measures and also by their sides. With a scalene triangle, all of the sides are different lengths. Isosceles, lengths of 2 sides are equal. I remember this because the word isosceles has 2 letters that look alike. I know they're not the same letter, but they're 2 letters that look alike, so 2 sides that are equal. And then we have an equilateral, equal being the key word, where all sides are equal. And then if we base triangles on their angles, we have an acute, where each angle is less than 90 degrees. And you can think of this because the angles are small and cute. We have a right triangle, which has one right angle, a right angle being 90 degrees, and an obtuse triangle, where there is one large angle. Think of like the O in obtuse being a large O, right? And the large angle right here. Maybe it'll work for you, maybe not. So if we were to classify this triangle over here, we see that 2 sides have the same length. They are both 8 inches. And there is one right angle. Therefore, the triangle is an isosceles right triangle. But the triangle isn't the only polygon. We also have quadrilaterals. Think of quad, which means 4. Like if you've ever ridden a quad, it has 4 wheels. And you can classify quadrilaterals by their sides and their angles. Remember that when we are classifying quadrilaterals and naming them, for example, if we're looking at this one right here, we're starting at M, and we can either name it MRCS or we're going to go MSCR. But either way, there has to be order. We can't just go M to C to S to R when naming. Now looking at a few of the different types of quadrilaterals, we have a trapezoid, which has one pair of parallel sides. And then we have a parallelogram with both sides, or both opposite sides, being parallel. We have a rhombus with 4 congruent sides. A square with 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. And we also have a rectangle with 4 90-degree angles and 2 pairs of parallel sides. And of course, we have regular polygons as well as irregular polygons. Regular polygons have all sides congruent and all angles congruent. And this is how we mostly think of our shapes. So for example, this pentagon, all of the angles are the same measure and all of the sides are the same length. But this yellow one on the right, it looks like these 2 are equal, and then this is a different measurement, and this is a different measurement, and this could be a different measurement. So all of the sides are different and all of the angles are different. Let's look at a real life example. So a contractor is framing a regular octagonal gazebo. So a gazebo in the shape of an octagon, which we know has 8 sides. Write a formula for the perimeter of the gazebo in terms of the length of a side. Evaluate the formula for a side length of 7, meaning figure out the perimeter if each side length is 7 feet. We know that perimeter is basically the measurement around, not in, just around. And so we're adding up 8 different sides, and we know that each side is 7 feet long. So essentially we're adding side plus 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 side, which gives us 8 sides with a measure of 7 feet. So then we can plug in our measure, which we did right here, 8 times 7, which is 56. If you want to go the long way, we also could have done 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 7 plus 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would also give us 56, but ain't nobody got time for that. So we are going to multiply the side length by the number of sides, which is 8. And that gives us 56-foot perimeter. Try these on your own for homework tonight. They're already on your worksheet that went with this video, so be sure to have them tomorrow for stamping, and don't forget to try. You got this.